Hey, this is Dr. Fast here, and in this video I will show you this product by Meguiars. It's their headlight restoration kit, and I'll be using it to restore my headlight because over the years it's gotten a bit cloudy and also oxidized, so it has this yellowy film on it. And a few months ago I did use this Plastex polish and cleaner, and I used it to buff the headlight, but I did it manually with a towel, and it was a lot of work. So I bought this kit because it comes with a buffing wheel that you can attach to your cordless drill. So this should speed up the process. And also I picked up this Meguiar's headlight protectant. You use this at the end and it provides UV protection for the headlight, so it will allow the headlight to be clear, stay clear a lot longer. Depending on which kit you buy, Meguiar's do make one where it includes all the products you see here. They also have another kit where it includes a very fine grit sanding disc for headlight that's very, very oxidized. So check out your local automotive store and see what they carry. So the first thing I'm going to do is mount the buffing pad into my cordless drill. The next thing is to make sure the surface of the headlight is clean. If you haven't washed it, go ahead and get a wet towel and just wipe this down, get all the dirt and grime off. On this headlight, as you can see, this whole area is heavily oxidized. There's some spots here that you can see is also very cloudy. So that's the area that I'm going to work on. So here's the Plastex polish and cleaner. And what you want to do is just put a small amount on the buffing pad. Not too much. And then spread it a little bit on the surface. Well, first thing I notice is that this thing sheds. It has a lot of lint that comes off. It's not a real big issue, but just want to point that out. Put a little bit more. And just work one area at a time. So this top area looked pretty good. I'm going to buff this area. I think you'll have a better view of this surface area. So as you can see, that really cleaned up the oxidation really well. And I'll continue working on the rest of the headlight, get it all cleaned up, and then I'll apply the headlight protectant afterwards. So this is what it looks like after about 3 applications. lot better than what it was before. And as a comparison, I'll show you the other side. Here's the other side. As you can see, the oxidation on this one here. And back to this other one. Now I'll be applying the Meguiar's Headlight Protectant with UV protection. And this product, you apply it manually with a towel. So I have a cotton towel here. And all you have to do is put a small amount on the towel. And just rub this product onto the surface like you would like a car wax. And just keep buffing the surface. And it dries pretty clear, it doesn't have any residue left. Definitely after you apply the protectant, the surface is even more shinier, it has a nicer gloss to it. So this is what it looks like after it's all done. Definitely a lot better than how it looked earlier. Overall, I think the Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit works very well, very quick. The buffing polishing pad did shed a bit, but I think the quality is okay because it did get the job done, and the cost of these kits are reasonable. And time spent, I think you're going to spend about maybe 15 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes per headlight. And doesn't take too long and looks great afterwards. Anyways, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.